Okay, first violins. This is our training video for creatures. Okay, so now the first thing we always do is we'll check our key signature out. And in the key signature we have two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. Okay, we have an extended rest at the very beginning. Okay, now we also need to look at our time signature to know how much to count for those extended rest measures. We're in 4/4, so you need to count each of these measures 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, and then you start. And you'll notice when we start here, we have a number of just down bows, so we're going to be just sort of crunching those as we go. Not too loudly, but we're going to be going down. Rest, down, rest, down. Now, let's move down to the second line. We have a B flat there in the middle of that line. Watch that. And then in the after that long tie, and the tie gets 6 complete beats, and you can change the bow in the middle of that tie. Okay, see that little up bow in parentheses? And then you're going to see a natural sign at the beginning of measure 13. So you're going to go from your B flat up to B natural, okay, and then back to B flat again pretty quickly there in measure 13. Okay, down in the next line, the third line, at measure 19 we have 2 parts, and above it says DIV, so that means divide. So if you're on the right hand of the music stand, you take the top note. If you're on the left hand of the music stand, you take the bottom note. It's a good idea to learn both of those. Okay, and we go down. We have similar things happening in the next line, and similar things happening there at 25 and 33. Now look at 35. This is really an unusual thing here. It says rest, and right above this, and the note's a square note. Okay, it says play any note. Okay, so you can play any note that you want right there for 1 beat. Okay, and everybody's going to be playing different notes, and so it's going to be dissonant. Okay, or the sounds are going to clash there. Okay, so we're going to be making a very unusual sound for an orchestra. Okay, so then we go down to the very last line, and you'll notice down there, measure 49, that's an unusual note that we haven't seen before. It's a little X, which usually marks a percussion or a percussive type of note, and it says distant footsteps. So at that point, okay, the dynamic level right here is piano, but you're going to go rest and then step with your foot, okay, just kind of lightly, okay, to play the note. So it's going to be rest, step, rest, step, rest, step, rest, step. Okay, so that's how that kind of works there. So let's go back up here to measure 5. I showed you how to do the counting in 1 through 4. We're going to start right at measure 5. Here's our tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. Lift, rest, 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 rest. 2, 2, 2, take 3. Reach all the way back. 5, 6. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, pick one of those 2. 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. Crescendoing. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Any note. Rest. Any note, rest, 37, 3. You just will be playing 1. I'm playing 2 to kind of show you there's going to be some clashing or dissonance. 40, rest, 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rest, rest. 1, 2. Ready, and 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Change bows. 2, 3, 4. Rest, step, rest, step, rest, step, rest, step. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you want to remain really still during this rest because there's more things going on, but you don't want to distract from the whole overall effect of the group.